baby told me just the other day. He said, honey, I've got to leave you, and you can't make me stay. That was too much for me. That's why I walked the back streets and cried. It hurt me so bad when my baby said goodbye. He said, you know you're a good one, and you haven't done nothing to me, but you don't have enough of nothing to keep me halfway, please. That was too much for me. That's why I walked the back streets and cried. It hurt me so bad when my baby said goodbye. Now listen. He said, don't you know you're a good woman? But I can't stay here with you. He said, oh, I got to leave you now, honey. 'Cause my lime hair is so blue. You know I stood and watched my baby just as far as I could see. And that's when the little boy started running, y'all. And he was waving my knees. That was too much for me.